Here is an interesting question. Alpha D glucose and beta D glucose. Alpha D glucose turns into beta D glucose and the equilibrium constant value is given as 1.8. He mentioned alpha D glucose rotation is somewhat 112 degrees and the final mixture rotation is 59 degrees. So what is the rotation of beta D glucose? So alpha D glucose turns into beta D glucose for that purpose. Initial, if you take 1 mole here, beta D glucose is nil, and at equilibrium it is 1 minus alpha and this is going to be alpha, and as we know Kc is equal to beta D glucose concentration by alpha D glucose concentration, that is alpha by 1 minus alpha, is equal to 1.8 given in the question. From this you can calculate alpha value as 0.64. I mentioned here all the steps, you can check. Now alpha D glucose, here it is mentioned concentration at equilibrium alpha D glucose is 1 minus alpha na? So alpha is equal 1 minus alpha is nothing but 0.36 and beta D glucose is alpha, that is nothing but 0.64. Now final mixture rotation is given as 59 degrees in the question. So 59 degrees is equals to 112 degrees into 0.36. The fraction remained in the equilibrium solution. Alpha D glucose is 0.36 and beta D glucose is 0.64. Its rotation we are taking as x. So on solving you will be getting x is equals 29. So approximately 29.2. The options were like 29.6 better. Okay, so this is place only 29.6. Thank you. This is your lucky sir.